Ready for something exciting? Ito nga pala ang tutorial kung paano ginawa ang mini desk calendar namin. Using Canva, ina-attach lang namin per month yung images from customers. And yes, with PH Holidays, at pwede mong i-edit lahat yan. This size pala is 3 by 5 inches. After, we use Photoshop for printing. Sundan lang yung printing settings sa video. Double check, lalong-lalong na yung document size dapat ay A4. For printer, ginamit namin ang Epson L121 at Pigment Ink. Siyempre para long-lasting at water-resistant. Manual cutting pala itong pinakita namin sa video. Pero kung maramihan, okay din gamitin yung sliding cutter. Lastly, gumamit kami ng corner puncher para hindi matulis ang edge. At mas magmukha pang aesthetic. Double check lang lahat kung maayos, kumpleto, at kung makat lahat ng gilid. And that's it! May mini desk calendar ka na! Don't forget to spread the vibe! Happy selling!